Heavy construction equipment and machinery used in construction industry. Part 4. Graders for motors. Motor graders are large machines with an adjustable blade that meets various angles and flattens the ground. It can also be equipped with a second blade in the front axle, allowing it to be utilized for subterranean mining in some cases. Motor graders are commonly used to fine-grade dirt or gravel roads, as well as to prepare the road's base course. Graders can also make sloped surfaces or drainage ditches with narrow V-shaped cross sections. Loaders for crawler. A crawler loader is a cross between a backhoe and an excavator. Its tracks provide excellent stability, and the bucket's versatility makes it helpful for moving soil and trash when loading cargo into trucks. On smaller projects, crawler loaders are also utilized as excavators. Trenchers. A trencher is a machine that digs narrow trenches for plumbing and cabling. It comes in a variety of sizes, ranging from small walk-behind models to very huge machines capable of cutting asphalt pavement and other hard surfaces. It has a conveyor system that transports the excavated material and places it adjacent to the trench on the ground. Depending on the depth of the trench and the material to be excavated, trenchers can employ a variety of digging instruments. Scrapers. A scraper is typically used for digging and leveling vast amounts of ground and can quickly transport dirt in heaps around a building site. Scrapers are large, heavy machines built for use in wide regions where they may chop and fill at fast speeds. Motor scrapers are large self-propelled scrapers. Smaller scrapers, referred to as pull scrapers, are towed behind another vehicle. Dump trucks commonly used. Every significant construction project necessitates the use of dump trucks. These vehicles have limited capabilities, yet they are essential for transferring and dumping a variety of heavy materials. They're also road-ready, which means they can transport materials in and out of the field and go wherever they want. Dump trucks exist in a variety of sizes to meet various capacity and load requirements, ranging from modest utility vehicles to massive mining machine. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.